Obtaining Walmart Plus as an employee is a straightforward process if you follow the necessary steps. First, ensure you are using a dedicated work computer assigned to you by Walmart. This is crucial as the enrollment process is designed to be completed on company-assigned equipment. Once you have access to your work computer, locate the Walmart Plus enrollment link provided by the company. Click on this link to begin the enrollment process. Next, you will need to watch a series of 3 training films, each approximately 10 minutes long. These films are part of the mandatory training for all employees enrolling in Walmart Plus. After completing the training videos, an Accept button will appear at the bottom of the page. Click this button to proceed to the next step. After clicking Accept, you will be taken to a congratulatory page. On this page, you will need to enter your email address to finalize your Walmart Plus membership plan. This email address will be used for all communications related to your membership. Once you have entered your email address and completed the enrollment process, you might notice some tax charges associated with your membership. However, these charges should not concern you as Walmart will refund any extra tax paid during the enrollment process. Following these steps will successfully enroll you in Walmart Plus as an employee, granting you access to all the benefits it offers.